What's up, tube? So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the seat emblems, and we're gonna be installing a kit that I got from Mod Emporium. It's a kit that keeps the lights on instead of when you turn on the car, they turn on and then they shut down. It's pretty easy procedures to install this kit. It's nothing too crazy. We're also gonna be replacing these because these are all cracked. I already ordered them; they're on the way. So yeah, let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is disconnecting the battery. We're going to be disconnecting the negative. When you guys do disconnect the battery, make sure you guys like wrap something around here, just because you don't want to close your trunk and then you have to like do a lot more stuff to get to the battery and connect it, you know. Disconnect this one, just place it down there, and then just get another rag just in case. There you go. Alright guys, before you disconnect the battery, make sure you guys put the seat backwards. Oh my god. Alright, so we're going to be doing the passenger side first. First, take this thing out. Boom. Take this thing out. Zip tie right here, this black zip tie. Remove that. And then take this casing off. After you've cut the zip tie, the pre-LCIs have their clips right here. So it's right here. You lift this thing up and then you lift this one up, and then you'll be able to push this back like nothing. And the LCIs, I believe they have them on this side. And you're gonna look for pin 7. Okay, fuck it, like that. So pin 7, it'll be 1. Damn, why am I so shaky? Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be this purplish or grayish wire right here. You're gonna take that pin out. Once you have it out like this, you're gonna want to place the shrinking tube in here. And if you have hot breath, just blow on it. In my case, just brush my teeth so my breath is not hot, so I'm gonna be using this lighter. So it is shrink now. Because after that is done, you want to get your wire that was sent to you, this long black cable, and put it into the same slot. So the cable does have a way to put it in, so make sure you guys put it in the right way. It has like a bump. Okay, I think I got it to focus, but you see how like on one side is bigger than the other, so make sure you guys put this side facing up, like the bump facing up, so it'll go smoothly into there. Like, let me see if I can pull this one out and show you guys. Like this, not like this, like this, and put it in there. Once you have put in your black wire in there, it doesn't matter if it's this one or that one, it doesn't matter, as long as one's in there, right? So after you're done doing that, put your yellow casing back on there, and the zip tie exactly the same way it was. All right, so after you have put in your yellow casing back in there and your black wire nice and tucked and the zip tie, just gonna push it back in there again, nice and smooth. And then you want to push this lever back up like this, and it should clip nice and good, right? You guys done the driver's side, you're gonna go ahead and take this rear plastic right here. As you can see, I'm about to take it off. The way I removed mine was I started from the bottom to the top, but if I start from this side, this side, this side, this side, and this side, and this side. So yeah, there's very limited space in here, so you're gonna want to look for these two wires right here. I believe they are brown and purplish gray, I don't know. But yeah, you're gonna go into those wires, and remove this gray cap right here. You guys are gonna put it into this wire right here, and just twist it back up, and then that's gonna clinch that wire. And then yeah, once you guys are done with the procedures, just come back here, take the rag off, put this back on. I don't think I showed you the way to remove the wire. The way you remove it is you want to just press it. Boom. Once you press it, you can pull the wire out. Look, I'm struggling because of all these other wires, but I could pull it out already. Look, bam. So once you do that, just put this bad boy on here and just heat this hole up. Yeah. They do send zip ties, so you don't have to worry about looking for some or buying some, so you'll be alright. Wrap this around through the hole, grab the wire, put it in there, and strap that hole up. Bam. There you go. Just push it back on there, and then bam, secure your thingy. Put your rag just like how you had them. Clean your trunk up real quick. Take these out. You don't need them no more. I'm just playing. These were for something else that I needed. And then put this right here, brand new. Close your trunk. What's up, Spike? Give me a kiss. Moment of truth. If you guys are doing this in the day, these will not turn on when you put it in automatic because obviously it's a day, so the lights, your lights are not on. So if you're doing this today, you want to test them out, just switch it to the parking lamps on, and then they should turn on, or these, and they should turn on. You can't see mine. Mine are all cracked and they're ugly. I'm just waiting on them to get here so I could install them because these are so cracked and ugly, bro. And this is just something that happens throughout the years. Just wear and they just crack. Just wait till it's dark, and I'll show you guys at night. Alright guys, so I don't have my mic on me. I don't think I have my mic on me, so you guys I'm probably gonna sound kind of horrible. This shit looks fire. Mines don't look that good just because mines are old as heck already, but look, they're glowing. They're just so black because they're fucking burnt. Look at that one's better. It looks way smoother, guys. I really recommend you guys do this shit to your car. If you obviously, if you're watching the video, you probably have an M4. This is like a game changer. I'm super excited to turn out. I can't find my mic right now, so if I sound horrible, my bad. I'll drop down the links to everything that I use, where I did get the kit, and shout out to Mod Emporium for sending this out to me. This is a game changer for sure. Unfortunately, you guys cannot see too much of a difference in my car because my badges, my emblems, they're cracked. So, and they're like all burnt out. So you can't really like tell, you know. So, but I will be posting another video where I do install the blacked out emblems, and there I'll show you guys how it really looks, you know. There are like a couple other videos that do the same thing, so I'll also drop down the links to them. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. I try to make the video an efficient video, you know. Try to make it quick as possible for you guys and also instructive, because that's the way I like my videos. But yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you. Peace.